100 important cups and trophies MCQs. In this section, we shall see part 1 to 50 questions on the topic Cups and Trophies MCQs. First question, Walker Cup is related to which sport? Option C, golf. Second question, Narang Cup is associated with which sport? Answer, badminton. Third question, Wimbledon Cup is associated with which sport? Option C, tennis. Question 4, the Lady Ratan Tata Trophy is associated with which sport? Answer, option A, hockey. Question 5, the Harila Cup is associated with which sport? Answer, badminton. Question 6, the Miami Open is related to which sport? Answer, tennis. Question 7, the India Gold Cup is associated with which sport? Answer, volleyball. Question 8, the Whittle Trophy is related to which sport? Football. Question 9, Nizam Gold Cup is related to which sport? Answer, football. Question 10, Stanley Cup is related to which sport? Answer, hockey. Question 10, Murugappa Gold Cup is related to which sport? Answer, hockey. Question 12, Santosh Trophy is related to which sport? Answer, football. Question 13, Dhyan Chand Cup is related to which sport? Answer, hockey. Question 14, the Aslan Shah Cup is associated with which sport? Answer, hockey. 15 to 1, the Aga Khan Cup is associated with which sport? Answer, hockey. The Aga Khan Cup, hockey. Question 16, the King's Cup is related to which sport? Answer, boxing. Vardhaman Trophy is related to which sport? Answer, weightlifting. Question 18, the Naidu Trophy is associated with which sport? Answer, cricket. 19, Radha Mohan Cup is associated with which sport? Answer, polo. Question 20, the Prince of Wales Cup is associated with which sport? Answer, golf. Question 21, Moinuddin Gold Cup is associated with which sport? Answer, cricket. Question 22, the Shish Mahal Trophy is associated with which sport? Answer, cricket. Question 23, J.K. Bose Trophy is associated with which sport? Answer, cricket. 24, Princess Challenge Cup Junior Women is associated with which sport? Answer, table tennis. Question 25, Ramanujan Trophy Junior Men's is associated with which sport? Answer, table tennis. Question 26, the Golden Eagle Trophy is associated with which sport? Answer, basketball. 27, the C.K. Naidu Trophy is associated with which sport? Answer, cricket. 28, the FIFA World Cup is related to which sport? Answer, football. 29, Sharjah Cup is associated with which sport? Answer, cricket. 30, Swaddling Cup Men is associated with which sport? Answer, Table tennis. Thirty-one. Thomas Cup men is associated with which sport? Answer: badminton. 32. Durand Cup is related to which sport? Answer: football. 33. Rogers Cup is associated with which sport? Answer: tennis. 34. The Ryder Cup is associated with which sport? Answer: golf. 35. China Cup is related to which sport? Answer: gymnastics. 36. Grand Prix is associated with which sport? Answer: F1 race. 37. The Ezra Cup is associated with which sport? Answer: polo. The Irani Cup is associated with which sport? Answer: cricket. 39. Ranji Trophy is associated with which sport? Answer: cricket. 40. The Baton Cup is associated with which sport? Answer: hockey. 41. The Vijay Hazare Trophy is associated with which sport? Answer: cricket. 42. Rovers Cup is related to which sport? Answer: football. 43. Uber Cup women is associated with which sport? Answer: badminton. 44. The Deodhar Trophy is associated with which sport? Answer: cricket. 45. Dilip Trophy is associated with which sport? Answer: cricket. 46. Davis Cup is related to which sport? Answer: lawn tennis men. 47. The Onyx Cup is associated with which sport? Answer: badminton. 48. The Cooch Behar Trophy is associated with which sport? Answer: cricket. 49. The Ashes Cup is associated with which sport? Answer: cricket. 50. Federation Cup is associated with which sport? Answer: volleyball.